Hello guys, do you want your Windows 11 to look like this? Here's how to easily customize it to your liking using a neat app called Windhawk. If this video helped you, I would appreciate if you could like and subscribe for more cool software apps like these. First step is to search for Windhawk on your browser and click on the official link. Once there, click download and wait until it's done. Once you downloaded it, search for the Taskbar customization mod and install it. Don't worry about the warning, since these are trusted apps from the developer. I'll click on mod settings, and I recommend you go through each mod for the taskbar. Look until you find the one that suits you. Once you've found your favorite one, search for the Start Menu app and do the same as you did for the taskbar, and just look for the one mod that you like most. Now search for the notification panel mod and look through the different custom designs and choose the best one for you. Once you've done these 3 customization mods, Windows will already look so much more modern and clean. In the upcoming minutes, I will be showing you some other mods that help improve the Windows experience, including a music player widget on your taskbar for completely free that looks like it came with Windows. This one makes your icons on the taskbar move like the ones on MacOs if you know how they act. When hovering your mouse on taskbar icons, they will enlarge and do a little animation, which looks very nice. Here's how to get the mod, and for the settings, just copy mine. Here's how to get these mods. One of them is taskbar volume, which makes it so when you scroll on the taskbar, you can actually change the volume, which is such a helpful feature that's missing from Windows 11, fixed with like 2 clicks. And for the last very useful mod, we have the media player widget on the taskbar. This one is very customizable, so I would advise you to take a close look at each setting and to make it to your like. Here's what I have after changing some settings. I hope these helped you make your Windows look better. If it had, let me know in the comments. And if you have some more mods from Windhawk that you love, also let me know.